How to cancel payment request in Cash app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to cancel payment request in Cash app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash app application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now to cancel the payment, tap on the Activity tab. This will be indicated by the clock icon on the top right of your screen. Now, select the payment you want to cancel. You will be able to see the sender, the amount, the time of payment. A new window will appear with more information. Tap on the three dots you see there and this will open the options regarding the payment. Tap on the refund button and further tap on the OK button. This will send the payment back to you, and this is how you can cancel payment request in Cash app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.